Dziękuję, yachimasu. This time on Dumpkin Bikes, we get a handle on the Polish Like a Schoolboy GT. Now this handlebar needs some work before it's good enough to go on the Polish Like a Schoolboy GT. Now, you can use one of those fancy dancy sand blasting machines, but I prefer to use some of my own magic powder and some noxious breath. Perfection! Now that process is pretty good, but we do need to give it a little bit of an extra shine. Now it's time to break out the funk. Break out the shine. Huh. It's never a dull moment with Dunk King Bikes. This stuff looks like cotton candy. Don't get that confused. Perfection! Now that we've got a handle on things... What happened to her here? Anyway, now that we've got our handle on things, that's the end of this episode of Dumpkin Bikes. Join me next time where we get a little bit derailed.